Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to review Missclaire waterproof eyebrow pencil. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without any ado, let's get started. I really can't go without doing my eyebrows and it is a must in my daily makeup routine. After using few eyebrow pencil, my urge to try new product didn't complete since I am a regular user because I don't have fuller eyebrow like others. So at last I find my favorite affordable brand eyebrow product, which is Missclaire Eyebrow Waterproof Pencil. I have been using this pencil for a long time and still I am using it. So it comes in plastic filmed for secure scratch-free storage, as you can see here. The pencil looks like this and it is sharpenable and it has written Missclaire waterproof eyebrow pencil, and the shade name was imprinted with silver color and the shade name and number is 02 dark brown. It also comes in one more shade which is black. The price of this Missclaire waterproof eyebrow pencil is 100 rupees and the quantity of this product is 1.4 gram, as you can see here. The shelf life of this product is 3 years from packaging. The cap has a comb-like brush attached to comb your eyebrow hairs for a sleek look after application. The product is creamy, smooth, and glides on the eyebrow easily. The color payoff is quite impressive and gives nice color in one swipe. It fills and shapes the eyebrow so well and the entire look is transformed. The brush helps to spread the harsh stroke of the pencil into a softer and defined finish look. It stays on your brows all day long without fading or bleeding. It does not transfer unless you didn't touch it. So it is smudge proof, waterproof, and it did not spread out. So overall, this Missclaire waterproof eyebrow pencil is a brilliant tool for sleek and defined eyebrows. The dark brown shade suits fair to medium complexion beauties. It is quite affordable and I will highly recommend this to everyone. So hope you like my review on Missclaire waterproof eyebrow pencil. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.